what's up. I know what you guys are already thinking. Oh man, JJ, another test fitting. You goddamn right. I don't like it just as much as you do. Now, all serious, this is the last test fitting video I'm ever gonna put on this channel. I know you guys are tired of looking at these test fitting videos. I am too, believe me. I am tired of doing this. At least today is gonna be a little bit more exciting because we're actually gonna see what the real fitment, or at least 80% of the fitment, is gonna look like. You know why? What's this? What's this? What's this? Oh, these are spacers. But for now, I need to get the spacers on to see how much I need to lower the car for on the front and on the rear. Once that's done, oh, and I gotta put on my wing extension so we get to see what, you know, that's another big thing. We get to see like the whole car, kind of like, y'all really get to see what my vision is gonna start looking like, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible. Y'all already know what the deal is. Look at this though. What's this? I know those are jack stands.
You the real MVP.
If y'all are new to this channel, we've been using nothing but rocks and bricks as jack stands. We've been broke over here, but we got some jack stands now, so that's why I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time. We're gonna get straight into it. So let's do it. Alright, so the car's lowered and I think I got it right on the money. Let me show you. So I know you guys might be looking at it and you guys might be like, JJ, I still see a shit ton of gap. What the hell is going on? Well, I'll tell you. The reason why is because, like I said at the beginning, we still have to, oh, that's my shadow. We still have to lower this. So once the coilover's in and this is lowered, this is gonna fit just how I want it. The reason why, this is the thickest part of the tire. So when this comes down, this is gonna probably sit like right here. This is probably gonna sit right here, which means that all this will probably not rub. I'm probably still gonna have some rubbing issues that we're gonna have to clean up, but this is pretty much how I wanted it to be. Show you guys from multiple angles. There we go. Kind of get an idea of what we're talking about. I feel like once it's lowered, it's gonna sit beautifully. I'm actually kind of excited now. But I'm gonna leave that on for right now, and then I gotta start working on the front. I have to jack this side up. I know you guys probably all like, well, you put that side on, why didn't you just put that side on? Well, the reason why is because I started wrapping that side. So I can't put that side on. I have to use the other side. And Jason started wrapping his other side, so we're all over the place. So I gotta jack that side up, take this wheel off, or take that wheel off, put the wide body on, and then measure everything up, and we should be good to go. And I'm done test fitting. I'm over this. Alright, so of course we ran into another problem. And let me show you guys what's going on real quick. This one is the original front spacer, right? Now check this out. Just gonna try to put it on. Everything seems cool. And then, oh, what's that? See that? Doesn't fit. Of course. The reason why is because this little piece, that groove that you see right there, I know it's kind of blurry, but it's getting stuck on this piece right here. It won't go past it. Just like here. Just like that. It's getting stuck on that piece right there. So this is what it's supposed to sit like. This is the rear spacer. Slide this right on. It's supposed to be flush. Just like that. Simple. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I can go and get this machined to where it sits like how that one sits. Problems. I'm gonna put that wheel back on, and what I'm just gonna do is mock up the wing extension and see how that sits. And yeah, there's really nothing I can really do for the front. I mean, the spacer doesn't fit, so I can't really do a test fit. Let's put this wing extension on and then just call it a day, because oh my god, I'm over this car. I'm over this wide body project. Alright y'all, so the mock-up's done. I'm so over this car right now, but oh my god, it's looking so good. Get a little focus action. Bam. Alright, here we go. So this is the layout, right? Obviously it's not perfect, it's just the mock-up. You got like all these like fucked up like edges and shit, all these like frays and whatnot, you know. But typically when it's out of metal, it's gonna be super clean. It's just gonna be all curved all the way around and in here. And I'm not too sure, because this is gonna be black when it's done, but I don't know if I want to keep this gray or if I also want to put this black, or if I also want to paint this black. I don't know. I am not sure. So ultimately, with the wide body, it's gonna look something like that. It's pretty tight, looks pretty aggressive. I like it. It reminds me of like the whale tails, or like the duck bills on like the 350s and the FRSs. I wasn't really going for that, but just it reminds me of it. So that's what it looks like. Just lower it a little bit. Be pretty nice. From this side over here, I know it looks a little weird. Y'all can't really see what I'm seeing. Plus the tape kind of fucks it up too. But you just gotta like look past all this. This is it from the back. I know that looks kind of weird too, but y'all just gotta have faith in your boy. Then with that, I'm probably gonna take this whole thing off. This whole thing, this whole piece, that whole trim, that's all gonna come off. Probably gonna get dual tips each side, eventually build a diffuser. So that's gonna be cool. With the little wing extension, the wide body, and then eventually I'm getting rid of this because I'm getting bored of that, and I'm gonna go with like a Boss 302 style splitter and run like that. But that's probably not gonna for right now, I'm just gonna focus on getting the wide body on, getting the wing extension on, and I'm just gonna call it a day with that. Oh, and getting the dual tips on. I'm probably gonna do that soon too. But after that, the splitter is probably gonna come later, because I want to start focusing more on power and getting this thing to run a little bit quicker. It's gonna be sick. Get the tire bombs going, the gold lug nut. I have the gold lug nuts, by the way. I don't have the right socket to put them on, so that's why I had to use my old lug nuts. But this thing's gonna look dope. I can't wait. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm low-key excited and disappointed. I don't know how that happens, but that's my life right now. Alright, see you in the next video.